Alright,
I hear you, bro.
alright, cool. So let's just start already now. Let's make us say the alphabet for sure.
Yeah,
Well, from a few weeks back, we had um, GBP, JPY selling wherever it is to where it's at currently. You can hear me, I guess. You can hear me, I guess. You can hear me,
yeah,
yeah?
yeah, yeah, I hear you.
Right, cool. So like 2 weeks ago, Sha, we actually had this analysis that yeah, we're expecting GPG to like actually like sell for that. But price is price and price is right. This see price buying up, clearing out this high at this level and yeah, still selling for that. But this is our 4H time frame anyways. If you look at let's look at our weekly. Let's start again from our weekly once again. From our weekly time frame, I'm clearing out offing all images. From our weekly time frame, we can clearly see that the market has overbought. The market has been buying for quite some time.
This guy did this thing. Oh.
I've added him up already, therefore.
Okay,
So it
okay.
was not that the market has pushed up, like cleared out this high since it cleared out this high, and also this one has been buying. So market has overbought for quite some time. And looking at this area, we did see price pushing up at this level, retesting, pushing up. But now currently there is this sort of consolidation around there. So there are chances we could likely see price what selling to the downside. These are our weekly time frame, anyways. From there, overall time frame, our overall structure is bullish on our weekly time frame. And let's go back to our daily. From our daily time frame, looking at our daily, realistically, our overall structure here is no longer bullish. Let's just be honest ourselves because we've seen price push up here, retest, push up, get out this high, and then we've also seen price dropping down, coming underneath this low. So what's the highest thing we can see now? The highest thing we can clearly from common knowledge. Honestly, we can see that price cleared out this low, right? We can see that price cleared out this low now, yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, good. So that's an indication that yeah, we might likely be seeing some sales. And of course, for the fact that we did see price clear out this low does not mean that we will not sell immediately. So from all of this whole structure now, we'll likely look for that potential sell entry from somewhere around here, then that full sell. Now, the reason why I'm looking for sales at this moment from somewhere around here because I've seen price clear out this way. Now, turning on all what we have here, I want this. Reverse. So removing all images. Now let's draw let's draw this thing. So let's have a new chart. Let's see what's up. So let's go back to our weekly time frame and mark shit up. Back from our weekly, we can clearly see that price was clear out this major high around here. So I'm gonna mark this make this color. And please don't forget, let me even reduce the color to opacity. So it's not the other bright. But yeah, this is the major high that price tell out that that yeah, all this whole structure is well bullish. So you can see from all this level, yeah, price actually did buy from this level, right out here, pushed up, gave us this highs. So and from this whole structure, from here we can also see you can see this in between the structure. Price pushing up, retesting, then pushing up at this level, testing, pushing up. So I'm likely to see price do something like this. They're more bias. You understand? This is my own buy. I feel like this is what price might likely do. However, let's not feel, let's trade what we see at all times. So going on to the D1 time frame, let's mark out the D1 time. From our D1 time, what can we see from our D1 time frame? We can see price, you can clearly see price what? Pushing up, consolidating around this level, and then pushing up further, giving us a higher low, pushing up, clearing out this level, and what? Selling down, clearing out this low. And from common knowledge, when we see price clearing out low, what does it mean? This was selling.
More
Price clear,
sales.
price clearing lows equals more sales. So yeah, price clearing out more lows, man. Realistically. because what more sales. Sorry. I think I put it in there instead of R. Yeah, price clearing out more lows. Obviously, what means what more sales. Price clearing out more highs. Obviously means what more buys. Following ICC, you know. So yeah, from this level, let's see price clear out this higher low around here, marking this. We can mark this. Yeah, we can mark this as that. And now this is price was a new low here in the market, and now pushing up further. So from this structure now, what do you think about this whole structure? That's just from this level to this level. What do you think about this structure? Are we bullish or we are bearish on this whole structure?
We are bearish now. Price
We
is
are
trying
bearish.
to make a lower high to make
All
a new low
right.
later on.
That's good. That's good. From our team and our very price pushing up, make lower high and what. So now let's go down to our 4H, our 4 hour time frame, and see what we have on our 4 hour time frame. So moving from the D1 to the 4H. From our 4H, what can we see? See that we saw that price was fair at this level from there and pushing up. So now we already know that our price likely to sell. Our buyers that price what likely to sell. Now let's look for that sell entry in particular. So looking at all of this structure, don't forget, we need to start from where all of the sales are from. Go back to the 1H, where did all those sales start from the 1H? All those sales started from this level, because this is lower high. And that price gave us this million in the market. This is lower high, like give about all of those words, those lows. So marking that here, so apparently that's the lower high. This is the lower high for this current trade. So now for that breakout, how do we get that breakout? Don't forget, guys, get that breakout. Since go down to a smaller time for entry to see what price has for you. Well, I'm going down to 15, looking at the 15 first. See what's up. Only 15 minutes time. What can I see from here? Nothing all that tangible. Let me go down to 5. From the 5 minutes time frame, what do we have? So from the 5 minutes time frame, what can we see? Nothing really all that tangible as well. So from the 5 minutes time, we can see price giving us higher and there, higher low. The price, consolidating, finally clearing out this high. That's around this level, yeah, clearing out this high. Okay, pushing up higher low, higher low. Okay, that's someone looking at the area price actually like further. What do you guys think? Same page or is looking like the area price clear out from around 214,398 area. 214,398 area. Possible entry. How many people is this? It's like 24 people. Potential entry for sales. That's one day already. And for the next potential entry, no that potential. That's my potential entry for sale. This particular one I just give right now. Let me mark it out properly. So we could have, let's work with the major loop. That's this. So see price push up here, retest, push up, retest, and go inside. And so now what price sold and they will retest this level, continue. So this area here is saying as that potential entry for what? So this rate price look up from. Other price give us this high, low, concentration push up. This is the major, although is this one here, shower pressure from the use this. I pressure from the use this. Think price tested here perfectly now. And this is how many people? This is how many people SL? This is like 25 people ish. So making it white, measure entry. So, yep. Another low, potential low where price could possibly sell down from this area here. But for now, we'll not really like OBS that much for now because we are not really concerned about this yet because yeah, price has still not gotten to our preferred area to enter for sale. Potential entry for sales 214.388 area. So moving back to what price is doing at the moment from all of this area here, you can clearly see with our two eyes. I was actually in this buy like last week. I think I called this on the group for when I saw price pushing up, I left. I don't know if any of you all left, sha. It was like 30 pips. It was like 30 pips, no, if I'm not mistaken.
Not
They
leave.
said
Oh,
you didn't leave.
I did not leave. Oh. Before I could come back, I just made that's already went back down, but it did
As
not hit
in,
my step.
so the tree has not hit stop loss yet. And I think I saw it somewhere around this area, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, yes, but
But then when I saw market push up and that whole sale, I know even I was surprised to see price just looking out like that once, yeah. But then market is always right. So whatever happens, happens. But for now, Sha, this market now, this thing I can see of this market now is that price is actually bullish because forget what we've seen price push up here. First of all, clearing out this level, this level, this level, this level, this level as well. You know, price has cleared out a couple lower highs or whatever it is and giving us what's a new high here. So at the moment now, this is a new high in the market currently around um this 212460. So moving in from all of this area here. Now I'm going down to this time and actually structure can be a bit clear because there's lots of concentration around here. Now we do have what we've seen price was drop down here, right? We test here, higher low. So apparently this is the higher low that price give us all of this works. Alright, so let's cook something, guys. So from here, let's read this ASAP. So this is the H-shell that gave about all of those five, right? This is the higher low that gave about all of these buys here. Let's mark this. So what price can do is to what sell back to where she was broke out from, which apparently I think she has. Yep. So see when price open, when market open, we'll see the outcome of this shining waves. This is like 40k, so this is a lot. Too. Anyways, I do expect price to actually like try for that. You know, I expect price to push up, retest, and continue buying. And don't forget, all of these buys are for sales. This is what we have on the higher time frame. Don't forget that. All of these buys are for sales. This is what we have what on the higher time frame. Don't forget that. And this is something that I've told you guys before. I've noticed something that price does all the time. See that move that price continue on Wednesday. Same thing happens on Thursday. Same thing will happen on Friday. That next week again, that same move will happen on. It will continue Monday. It will also continue on Tuesday. And from Tuesday evening, we'll not see price changing again, doing the opposite. So I don't know if you are observing about the chart, you be able to attest what I'm saying. So I'm thinking we could see price giving us all of this push Monday, Tuesday, and perhaps Tuesday evening we might get that entry. Then Wednesday morning, price will present another entry again for us. This some cool ass bread, because they're trying that price was sell. This is a lot. Is that a lot? This is a lot. So this is like 400 pips. So, and we're expecting what price will actually push up in this area. This is incoming 200 plus pips. So this is a lot of bread on GVJPY for the week for me. I mean, this is the only thing I'll be looking at. I don't think I need to stress myself. Looking at any other pair. So, but don't forget, guys, in as much as we're expecting sales from 214388, don't forget, price is still price, and the market is always right. The market is always correct. The market is never wrong. The market is always correct, and the market is what? The market is never, ever, ever, ever wrong. So we could still see price what's doing this to the downside likewise. So you guys should open your hearts to both sides. But yeah, I'm looking for more buys because based on what price has done here already. Clearing out this high, first of all, indication that I would likely see more buys. So if we get to see price underneath 211.116, I would most likely be selling. But for now, I'm still bullish until 214.388. No, we'll see prices definitely. But however, we'll see the outcome when price opens by in a couple of hours, in a couple of minutes, a couple of hours. The market not open, sir. The market open. That's not open. Man. But it's food soon, anyways. So yeah, this is my own bias for GDP, JPY for the new week. Expecting price to push up to 214,388 and what sell down would be like a triple top, you know. Already so this I don't know. I don't know if this likely like head and shoulder for people that do pattern, but however it is, from ICC, we're expecting price to, we're expecting price to what? We're expecting price to what? Push up this area for what? More sales. So, anyone with an opinion on GBP, JPY, speak now or forever hold thy peace. Speak
No,
up,
boss. I'm good.
speak up, speak up. Okay, okay. That's fine. So moving on, let me check out GPUSD as well. This GPUSD, I don't, well, maybe I was just lazy. I was just looking at just GTL.
It's very manipulative. It's very, very manipulative.
I don't think the word is manipulative. I think the word is it gave all of this. It gave the entry. The friend price was at this area. I actually wanted to call this sell on the group, but for some reasons I just know I don't know why I did not because really I sweep once again, guys. Once again, guys, don't overcomplicate it. If price is clearing our highs, market will sell. If price is clearing our lows, market will sell. Now from this structure now, this C price, of course, I said we push up, retest, push up, make we clear out this high. We had this what retest down here, push up, sharp entry. Like see, I even marked it out. If I marked out this 1.317, I didn't look at this chart. I didn't look at this chart again. I did not honestly. So you see that price now. Observe. Price give us a lower high here, lower low. Clear out this area. As far as you can see price clearing out low. It's not voodoo. It's not magic. It's just the same repeated thing over and over and over. As far as you see price clearing out low, market will sell. If you see price clearing out high, market will buy. So some price clearing out this low, that's here. Now some market retesting down back to this area. And what? From all of this area now, this who is a good how many people is this from all of this area here? This is like okay, these are roughly 120 plus pips. And yeah, the opportunity presented itself again. So hard price drop down here. Now around the market testing somewhere else. Maybe price actually down here actually was not. And yeah, market is always right. Don't forget, guys, market is never wrong. Market is always right. We are not market makers, we are market followers. Whatever trend market gives to us, that's what to ride on. So currently at the moment, of course, sorry, I didn't start this looking at the bigger picture. Let's go to the D1. Although from the previous weeks, I think when we looked at GDP USD, we expected this sale now, Abi. For people that have been active, are we together? So
Yes, boss. Yes.
the very price actually sells. So it's not magic, my guys. It's just indication, it's just price giving us that indication that yeah, I'm going to sell. That correction will always happen to where price broke out, whether I like it or not. And there'll be what potential of the trend. So we are expecting price to continue sell this new week now, full blown sales this new week, perhaps to somewhere around there. Then I'm looking for more buys. But at the moment, let's go to the 1H and see what's up, what's cooking. Let's look at it 30 minutes. But this 1H, I didn't see anything that will give me correct. So from at the moment, from this 30 minutes time frame, I've just tried to look at the previous lower high. This is it here. That price has given. So of course, anything under this because this is obviously a low now. This is a low right here, obviously. Anything under here, more sales. This is like how many people sell? This is like 30, this is like 40 people. Although on the MT5, when you get the thing, it'll be like 20 something because of spread. But yeah, see, price will settle down to this place. I'm not a magician. You understand? I'm not I'm not one special magician, but price will settle down to this place. It's bound to happen. Their chance is going to happen. Yeah. Come on. This is like incoming 100 plus, incoming 150 plus peak, if I'm not mistaken. And incoming 150 plus. But regardless of that, don't get it twisted, guys. Don't get it twisted. Don't get it twisted. In the sense that now we've seen price from here, what drop down retest. So there are chances that we could see price selling down to this area, abi, right? Depends on how the market opens, anyways. You see price what jumping out this area and what dipping down some more. But for now, overall bias on GU, we're bearish at the moment. Whatever time frame it is, we're bearish. So do with that information how you please and wish to. Of course, GBP is coming down. Whether the devil likes it or not. Well, yeah, it's kind of crazy that we missed this because it's something we should do, this is something we should not be missing. These are the kind of trades that, yeah, confidence.
Sorry, Tiga. I beg you this. That that place, that's your first line. Yeah, that where you just put your this thing up. Do you
Yeah,
get that
TLO,
place, that line?
yeah.
What are you? What do you expect for there? I don't
For this
get
line,
that part.
nothing. I'm not expecting that. This is my bias from last week. I'm not expecting anything that line. At the moment,
Oh, okay.
this is the current lower high, which
Lower
is
high, yes. Now, waiting I want talk. I be want say waiting be that line for that middle.
I don't have to mark it out every time. You guys are experts already now. I didn't really mark. I didn't mark out this G at all. So I've just been talking. But then, just for where you've asked, this is the lower high that I gave about all of the slow right here. So that's why I said we see likely see price buying up to this area. But we see all of these full blown sales we're expecting. So keep your eyes open, my guys, for GU. This GU sweet. Actually, I'm pained. I won't go like I'm pained because yeah, good trade. To EFS 90 pip. That retracement again. Another one. Don't forget, what lose back to GBP JPY. Let me copy that shit. Where are you? Exactly. This shit doesn't lie. It's real. This is a very real shit right here. You know? So price clearing out lows equals what? More sales. Evidence. Price cleared out this low, abi? Retest. Cleared out this low again, retested. Cleared out this low, retested. More sales, more sales. Of course, price clearing out this low, indication of what? More sales. We will see, funny enough, because we will see it will be something of price will actually just retesting to this level. Since I've cleared out here, then to see price buying up here perhaps and pushing down. But if peradventure we're expecting price to actually buy up this level, let us actually just mark out that area. Let's mark it out and see what's up. Don't forget, for marking out your entries, look at your smaller time frame to look for that particular area that price was broke out from. Okay. So for this, it's not so hard. This is the level here. No, see, don't complicate it. The level is the level. If the SL is big, the SL is big, the SL is small, the SL is small. Don't complicate it. Price above 1.3783. People for what? More buys. It's not good. It's just what it is. You know? Follow structure. So for now, I'll leave our sell entry. How am I going to get our entry now? This is lower high, lower low, lower high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, condition around there. Price low key this and what? Deep down. So apparently, this area low key, not good low key, high key. This area here, this is higher low for this. How many people are selling this? This is like 30 guys. Let me fucking do this. 30 stop. 30 pips. 30 pips. What's happening? So potential entry, anyways. Let me take out this part. Potential entry, anyways, for GU 1.375, 1.37593, 1.37593. Our SC 1.37873. So this is like once again, this is 10 pick SL. The MT5 should be like 20, 22 pick there about whatever the spread is. So we could likely see price selling down to this area and what continue to sell. That's going to whatever the market is for us anyways. By London, we know what's up. That's by London session. So this is my bias on GBP USD at the moment. GBP USD is very, very bearish. No cap. Very, very bearish. No cap. So anybody with an opinion on GBP JPY? any opinion on GBP JPY? If there's no opinion, it is what it is. All that page I check out. So for me, I'm done. You guys know, I don't worry myself trying to trade 50 pairs in 1 week. One pair is enough. One pair is enough. What pair would you like me to check out for you?
I'm Gucci with the GU and GG already.
I mean, GG as professional giving us about 600 picks this new week. 200 plus for the buys, 400 for the sells. So, yep, like I said, we have like from this level here, that's from 211.83, we have like 200 plus for the buys. And from our 214, from our 214388, we have like 400 plus tips for the sales. And these are 500 tips. And of course, price is not just going to just sell down here, it's going to sell beyond. And yeah, these are potential areas like sell from. So this new week is promising to be nice. And this is actually the first, funny enough, this is our first Sunday for February. So yeah, this month should favor us. Let's actually look at the monthly time.
Sorry, it's
Let's see what
coming late. Happy New Month. Sorry, it's coming late. Happy New Month.
oh let's see on maybe. Um for GBP JPY on the monthly, you can clearly see that price will clear out this area. So I mean, my common knowledge, you know that price will most likely retest down to somewhere around here before we continue buying. But for now, the month is very bullish. More buys, clear out the high. So we pray for solid trades this new week. Yeah, we pray for solid trade this new week. If at all, you can smile. The last 2 weeks have actually been quite boring because spreads are just being zigzag, zigzag, zigzag. I mean, I've just been chilling because I'm not taking any kind of risk. I'm not risking this year. I'm not taking risk. Don't get me wrong. What I mean is, if whatever I want to take is not aligning with my trade, I'm not getting in. Yes, if whatever I want to trade is not aligning with my trade, I'm not getting in at all. So yeah, that's that for that. What page should I check out before we go? We have like 10 more minutes to be on this call. What page would you want me to check out for you?
Okay,
Um,
I'm good.
Good.
I'm good, boss. I'm good. Let me skip.
everybody has been buying. Okay, well, if you could remember this analysis from around this area, our analysis are always good, just so you know. And gold is due to actually continue buying once again. So yeah, we've seen price from here actually. From if you go back, I think this we had this zoom like was it the third, second, we got like four zoom last month. It should be the second one, if I'm not mistaken. We actually did expect price to actually push up further, continue its whole buy. So yeah, once again, indication, correction, continue on the trend. Now we've had price push up from all of this level here. Give us an indication. Of course, the same price we're retesting now back to here, somewhat around this area. So they are trying to see price now, continue its buy to the upside. Gold is super bullish. So if you are selling gold, it should just be short term sales realistically. So for the couple of days, months, weeks, we've seen gold worth buying, just buying, you know. So everybody now is trading gold. They are idols. They are experts. Just need to wake up in the morning and enter gold. Just leave your trade, don't worry to buy. So when we did one share anyways, this price bring us a retest around here. So like you see price was selling down the opportunity buys. But don't forget the buyers, my buyers of gold now, gold is actually good sharp. Like the whole time frame. Aside this, I'm not talking of the last 2 days count that I read. All of these sales are different for more buys. From the bigger picture, gold is bullish. Bullish from the bigger picture, gold is bullish. So man, I don't trade gold at all. I'm not really in particular. Perhaps, I've not really gotten a hold of it. I'm not even stressing since GP and the rest are getting what I want. But then, it is what it is. I don't really have much on gold to say. Just looking at it, you can likely see that price will likely push up. And funny enough, again, crazily, I saw all of these sales. Crazily, I did on Thursday. I did. All these sales. I saw it, guys. I did see. Inshallah. 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 I saw this one in particular. Inshallah. Inshallah. This one. I see him. Inshallah. But then I didn't get in. That's fine. So if you have to buy gold anyways, like I said, I like it buying. You're buying. Good area to actually enter from is the highs. Don't forget, we're buying from highs, we're selling from lows. We're buying from highs, we're selling from lows. So more of the case of seeing price pushing up, retesting, entering your buys. You can aim for other highs as your point of ticket. And of course, your SL should be at your low. All of this from here, anyways, is a lot too. If I want 30 pips. Down to the 5M. From the 5 minutes, it's a bit clearer. From the 5 minutes, these are 96 too. That's not something I want to see. But wait, we could actually see what will happen with this structure. Let me see this. Don't enter. No, wait, I'm not saying now. Don't get me wrong. Don't go and enter immediately you see price above here. When you see price at 4.945, you now enter, except you don't have a SL at this major low here. Say, but this is a lot of peaks. These are over 100 peaks. So when price push up, there'll always be a retracement down back to the area. That one is certain. So you can wait for that pullback or get into your trade and yeah, have your SL wherever you want it to be. So this is just my little bias on gold. I don't think there's anything much I want to say on gold again. I don't have anything much to say on gold. This is my bias right now. So yeah, that's that. So anybody has any question to ask? Our time is up already. So it's good 35.
No.
In eyes of no questions, I wish you all a good week. Don't forget, the rules are the same. If you are selling, if you have to sell, you should be selling because you are seeing price clearing out lows. If you have to buy, you should be buying because you are clearly seeing price clearing out highs. Don't go and be selling when you are seeing price clearing out highs. Don't go and be buying when you are seeing price clearing out lows. Don't overcomplicate the system. The system is not to work against you. The system is to guide you. And don't forget, we are not market creators. we follow market trends. Don't get me. We are not the ones that determine that market will buy to one particular point. Bang bang. We forever follow market or trends. Well, it's very structured now. Buying from here is very good. And then we have that confidence that yeah, price can most likely go out to this area. Why? Because price has done it before. And now you're on the path of what? The continuation of the trend. You feel me? So don't overcommit it. And the most important thing of all, don't over leverage. Don't over leverage your account. Take risk. It's okay to take risk, but gambling is not risk. You understand? If you are gambling, you have full pot to your account. It's not like it's bad. As far as you can fund again, that's fine. But then have a system that will actually boost your consistency in the sense that you are taking 5 trade with that 5 trade, 3 is hitting TP, or 3 is turning out well. Know that you are taking 5 trade, you use luck and win one, the rest for SL. So have a system, risk management, yeah. I wish every one of us the best of the new week, and I wish us the best of February. You're still jiggy and stay active on the chat, most importantly. Yeah, that's all. I wish you guys a good month. Have a blast, my jiggers.